Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mortal Kombat online. First, ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection. A wired connection is often best for minimal lag. Next, confirm your game is completely updated to the newest version to access all online features. You'll also need to be logged into your platform's online service, like PlayStation Network or Xbox Live. Once these steps are complete, simply launch Mortal Kombat and head to the online section from the main menu. You're almost ready to fight. Once in the online menu, you'll find several exciting modes. Ranked matches are for serious competition, impacting your global leaderboard position and skill rating. Casual matches provide a more relaxed setting to practice new characters or strategies without pressure. For a social experience, King of the Hill lets you join a lobby, watch others fight, and challenge the current champion. Pick the mode that best suits your mood and skill level for maximum enjoyment. To truly excel online, consistent practice is key. Spend time in the training mode, mastering your character's special moves, combos, and defensive options. Understanding common character matchups will give you a significant advantage, knowing how to counter popular strategies. Pay close attention to your opponent's tendencies during a match and adapt your approach. Remember, even a few minutes of focused practice can make a huge difference in your online performance. Finally, remember that online gaming is about community and fair play. Always be a good sport, whether you win or lose, and show respect to your opponents. If you encounter any cheating or abusive behavior, use the in-game reporting features to help maintain a positive environment. Engage with the wider Mortal Kombat community, share tips, and learn from others. Ultimately, the goal is to have fun and enjoy the thrill of combat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.